Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2431 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's secondary air injection system, specifically the airflow pressure sensor. And if left unresolved, it can increase exhaust emissions, affect cold start performance, and keep the check engine light on. What does P2431 mean? P2431 stands for Secondary Air Injection System Airflow Pressure Sensor Circuit Range Performance Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the airflow or pressure sensor in the secondary air injection system on Bank 1 is not performing within the expected range. The secondary air injection system helps reduce harmful emissions during a cold engine start by injecting fresh air into the exhaust system. This extra oxygen helps burn any unburned fuel before it reaches the catalytic converter. The ECU monitors the airflow or pressure sensor to verify that the correct amount of air is entering the exhaust. If the sensor readings are inconsistent, inaccurate, or outside the expected range, the ECU stores the P2431 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2431, you may notice: check engine light on, failed emissions inspection, higher exhaust emissions, rough idle during cold starts, poor cold start performance, slight decrease in fuel economy, additional secondary air injection system trouble codes. And in most cases, the vehicle will drive normally once the engine reaches operating temperature. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. The secondary air injection airflow or pressure sensor is usually mounted near the secondary air pump or attached to the air injection pipe leading to the exhaust manifold. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The sensor is connected to the ECU through an electrical connector and wiring harness. The secondary air pump itself is commonly located inside the engine compartment, although its exact position depends on the vehicle model. The most common causes of P2431 include: faulty secondary air injection pressure sensor, weak or failing secondary air pump, blocked air injection hoses, carbon buildup inside the air passages, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, vacuum leaks on vacuum-controlled systems, or ECU problems in rare cases. A restricted air passage or failing pressure sensor is one of the most common causes of this trouble code. Start by scanning for additional secondary air injection system trouble codes. Inspect the sensor wiring and connector for corrosion, loose terminals, or damaged wires. Check the air injection hoses for cracks, blockages, or leaks. Monitor live sensor readings using a professional obd2 scanner. Activate the secondary air pump with the scan tool and verify that airflow and pressure respond correctly. If necessary, test the sensor voltage, ground, and signal using a digital multimeter. How to fix P2431: repair damaged wiring. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace the faulty secondary air injection pressure sensor. Repair blocked or damaged air hoses. Replace the secondary air pump if testing confirms failure. Clean carbon deposits from the air injection passages if necessary, clear the code. And perform a cold start road test while monitoring live sensor data. Fixing P2431 will restore proper secondary air injection system performance, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, improve cold start engine operation, help your vehicle pass emissions testing, and keep the check engine light OFF. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.